Okay, I'm going to show you how to put the cookie depositor together. This is the plate. The plate slides below here, and these have to be unscrewed all the way. These have to be unscrewed, so there are screws along the bottom of the plate. They have to be unscrewed all the way. And as you see brownie dough fall out, means it wasn't cleaned well enough last night. Okay, so the plate slides in, then you have to lock it in place with these knobs. These go that way and these go this way.
So instead of sitting in a waiting area, you could be shopping or snuggled up.
When you clean it off, you have to make sure you get into the cracks, because as you can see, there's dough still in here. Okay, so once you tighten the plate, get the plate in and tighten it down, these are going this way, these are going this way. That way the dough doesn't squeeze out the bottom. Okay, then one of the rollers has nothing on it. The other one has a gear assembly on it. So the one without the gear assembly goes on this side towards the custard freezer. And you kind of have to get it even to lay it in, and this arm has to come up to get it in, okay? So gears on this side with the refrigerated case on that side. This one has the gears on the end, okay? So it goes down, this has to come up, this arm comes up. This goes down on here, all the way down. The brass plate has to go, and it buckles in place. And then this is set on top. This is the part that I struggle with. Oh, you know what? Back up. The arm can't go in place until this goes down. Reverse. Okay, that goes in place first. Then you buckle this down. Come on this side here. This slides down over here between this brass plate on this side, and the brass plate goes even with these little notches. Slide it all the way down and buckle it in place. These go up over the assembly and buckle all the way down.